Hi guys, we are here in Ocean Park in Cebu City.
Kapot, kapot, kapot sa lubot, dali kapot sa lubot.
A few moments later.
Pero na sa taas. Saan tayo?
Hi guys, we are here in Ocean Park in Cebu City. Friends, please, it's na yan.
Wala, nilihaw ko dali. Picture mo diyan itong dali ito. I touch the bird. What is that?
Look.
A few moments later.
Kisi, kisi.
Ante, na namin dire sa Ocean Park.
Ay, lang kami yan.
Nay kwandri, parot nga guryon. Dara ka po. Mamane, apas diri kay namis Ocean Park.
Now banded is the red and green macaw, also known as green-winged macaw. Now macaws are widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern to central America. There you go, our show edition started as Azul. And today they will battle it out who's the best in a basketball game. So right here is Azul, and this is Blues. Now before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you. Okay, let's start. Now on my left, Raksha is our green-winged macaw bandit. You can see his body is covered with mostly red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are colored blue and green. So that macaw has a white neck and face striped with small red feathers. Now bandit's scientific name is Ara Corruptor. Say hi to everyone, bandit. Hi. Hey, how about on this side? Alright. So green-winged macaws are also known as the gentle giants of the parrot family. That is because they're the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. So all over the world, known sila ang second largest parrot. Okay, now up next is our blue and gold macaw, Oldie above there. Blue and gold macaw has a little shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their belly and in their wings. Now their eyes and beak are solid black. Oldie's scientific name is Ara Parawana. Say hi to everyone, Oldie. Now here is Cebu Oceanpark. We have 3 blue and gold macaws. So they are blue, azul, and goldie. So kapag nag-basketball yun, si blue and si azul to. Ang goldie na different po siya later. Okay, now lastly with me is our eclectic parrot red. Now eclectic parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism. Meaning, you can easily distinguish if they are male or female parrots. So how do we determine if they are male or female? Now red right here is a female parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Now as the males, they have bright green colored feathers. Okay, Okay, so very distinct nila ang colors ko. Again, red means female, green means male. Now, eclectus parrots can approximately live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, our macaws, bandits, and gobies, they can live up to 7 or 8 years old. And also, guys, did you know that parrots are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner the entire lifetime? Okay, so that is it for our 3 kinds of parrots in Cebu Oceanpark. Again, we have our green-winged macaw bandit, our eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw gold. And perception. So they use basically in the wild to find food and shelter. Now they typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruit salts, and minerals along the river banks. There you go, pretty intelligent, right? A round of applause for green-winged macaw. Now guys, I have here an object which I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. So where do we put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Left. Okay, let's put it right here. Now guys, if you think Goldie can find the hidden object, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, find the hidden object for us. Where could it be? Goldie searching, scanning each cup, using her psychic powers. There you go, she got it. A round of applause for the psychic bird, Goldie. Okay. So this right here is Tweety, that is Snow, and this is Nigel.
Say hi, say hi.
Now he is our super-breasted Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitat on the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforest. So they can easily be distinguished to the other white cockatoos by their yellow crest. Okay, so this is their crest. Now their scientific name is Kakatua galerita. Up next is our umbrella cockatoo, Nigel Gobler. Now umbrella cockatoos are also called great white cockatoos. Now they are called umbrella cockatoo, that is because of their woolly white crest that raises like an umbrella. So if you saka na ang crest ni Nigel, mura na siyang umbrella kay lakas na siya. Now Nigel's scientific name is Kakatua alba. Now, if we were to compare Tweety and Nigel, we can clearly see that Tweety has a yellow crest. Meanwhile, Nigel has a clear white crest. Okay, so if wala ni sa crest, parehas na ito sila sound. Now, no scientific name is Kakatua Ocean. Alright, Snow, solve the equation for us. Oh, there you go. Snow gets number 1. So, sakto ang first number? Alright, Snow, complete your answer. Off to the second number. There you go. So, 4 plus 10 is equals to 14. Let's give her an applause for our mathematical wizard. No. South Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines.
Wow.
In Australia, they're called eagles. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, they're locally known as lawin or banog. Okay, so that is it for our gravity kite, typically known as Philornis solostino. First, take a little bit of seamless gauntlet that is used to protect your hands from the sharp talons and teeth. Okay, there you go. Let's give a round of applause for Philippines. So they're the native Palestinian owls. They arrive here with pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they can go back to their nest to mate. They have this special sense called the magnetoreception, where they can detect the Earth's magnetic layers, perceive direction and altitude. Alright, there you go. Let's give a round of applause for raptors in our home in Cebu Oceanpark. We believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well.
Bye-bye.